Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use as my everyday planner. There's last week's spread, and then this week for Halloween. This one's a weird week because Halloween's on a Monday, but I will still decorate the whole week as Halloween. I will be using the What's This stickers from According to Ellie. I have so many of her Halloween stickers that I plan on using every single one. Let's get started. Okay, so I plan on using this whole sheet for this plan with me, and I'm gonna actually adjust the placement of my phone because it's a little weird. Okay, so first things first, what do I want to put down in the corner? Or do I want to just put like a whole bunch of stuff up at the top? And then we'll do the pumpkin down here with a couple of bats. I don't normally go crazy with Halloween, but Allie's stickers are fantastic and they're so fun. And then I'm going to probably just do a whole bunch of these across. And you guys know me, I don't normally worry about covering the top too much. Okay. And then this one. Ooh. If I put that in the middle, yeah, scissors. Whoops. Let's go ahead and cut that. Thing is, I mean, I could put these elsewhere, but I also know the way that I plan, I fill in all that space. I normally just go around. So I don't know. I mean, I could put that right in the middle, right there, and then use boxes. Let's do that. Let's do something different this week, Karina. Because sometimes it's fun to try and do something outside of the box. And just, this is actually why I love planning, is that there are some weeks that, yes, that I know exactly where to put the stickers, and that is very fun and everything. But there's also fun to be had in trying something new. It's different to what you're normally used to, so. Okay, then I'm gonna put a whole bunch of bats. See, I still have like a whole ton of these stickers, so I have to figure out where to place them. And I'm wondering if I can put the pumpkin actually right next to these and have the two of these together. And then a whole bunch of bats. This is a lot for me. This is a lot for me to be putting down in terms of stickers, but I am fully embracing it. Okay. Next week is a weird week for me as well in terms of work. So that is all done. I know I have 3 stickers left that I'm going to use, but I have to fill it in first. So let's go ahead and fill in my sidebar. So for my sidebar, I'm going to use my Tombow Dual Brush Pen in number 026 to create a header, and then use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to letter in the word sleep. And then I will draw in my graph where I measure in my sleep score. And this score is taken directly from my Fitbit. To think about that for a sec. And then underneath that, I will put in workout using the same Tombow Dual Brush Pen 026 for the header, and then brush lettering in the word workout with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and then writing out my schedule. I haven't done weight training in like a good month, 6 weeks. So, you know, and I've been feeling off since then. So I'm hoping to slowly get back into it this coming week. So moving to the bottom of the page where I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write in the word meals, after I've used the Tombow Dual Brush Pen 026 to put in the headers. There's Lucy. And then after that, I will write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is where I keep track of my meals and what I eat on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so the next thing I'm then going to do is put in my work shifts and go in day by day. And I am using a newly inked pen. You guys haven't seen this yet, but this is what's going to be inked up for November. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm going to go in then and write in work. And my work shifts are a little bit different this week because of appointments and things, but I'll go ahead and write in the word work and then draw in the arrows for my different work shifts. I was going to say work sheets. That's not right. And then putting in my to-do list here as well of meal planning. Oh gosh. And ordering groceries. Yeah, it's trick-or-treating night on the Monday. So then putting in my work shift for Tuesday, which I think is, like, out of all the days, the only one that's the normal day. Because I have, I basically work from 10 to 2 and then get like a little 2-hour break. And then I work the closing shift in the evening. I pick up my kids during this time. So then my husband will put out the garbage. Still a little salty about that. And get a, where is it? Get myself an emoji because these are cute. Then Wednesday, this sticky note I got from Planner's Gonna Plan. It's from May Paper Cone. They're transparent and I could only use Sharpie on them, which I'm not a fan of, but I will still use it. I like using sticky notes and Post-its for planning things out. And then I have my appointment here, so look, doctor's appointment. And then I have to pick up the kids right after. And then put in my other work shift. If my head comes into frame, I apologize. That's been happening a lot recently. Then Thursday, oh gosh, this one is a tricky one as well. So Thursday, the kids have early day, so I pick them up and then I think I'm working until 4 because I have an appointment at the Royal Alex. So oh, I cannot spell today. Royal Alex. The appointment is actually at 5:30, but I have to be there by 5. And then the picking up groceries is a difficult one because I actually don't know if my husband's gonna be here. He might have to be in England for a funeral and we don't know when that is yet. So I don't want to put down groceries yet because I might have to be the one to pick them up after my appointment. So I'm gonna leave that for now. You know, for all of you guys who are like, you have to put down groceries, I will, as soon as I figure out when I can pick them up. And then Friday, work. And then I have a half day on Friday because it is the Rocky Mountain Food and Wine Festival, which actually starts at 5:30. So, and I'm going with can't write and talk at the same time. Going around with my dad and my sister and her husband and my brother and his girlfriend. And it's something that we used to do before COVID, and now I'm really excited that we get to go again. And then my mom and my aunt will be watching the kids. So then on Saturday, Henry has wall climbing from 10 to 11:30. And I've really enjoyed actually just writing a little dot in here. Oop. And then rather than using an icon, just writing in that little dot. And we're supposed to be having dinner with friends this evening, so However, again, if Rob's not here, I don't know if we'll still go ahead with it. So this is where Post-its come in. I normally like to use my Memo Me. So when I do that, I'm going to, hold on here. So just writing on the Post-it, it's supposed to be Saturday, 5th November, Friendsgiving. So it's very late, but we'll see. Put that to the side here. And then, gosh, Sunday is also a weird one because I wish I had an icon for like a little present. Ooh, I think I do. I have like so many of these freebies that I love. I love when shops do freebies. I think there is one, not for a bad hair day. There's one for a present in here. There we go. So Robin, it's such a weird time for a birthday party. It's from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Birthday party. And then I am so excited to use this sticker. I have Leslie to thank for this because I got something in the mail the other day. Leslie sent me these cute cut craft stickers that are just ninja stickers, and I'll be using them for Henry's Ninja. Like, how cute are these? He's not actually in karate or ninja, but he's in the name of the activity is Fit Set Ninja. Oh my gosh, so cute. So Henry has Fit Set Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. And basically his Fit Set Ninja is like Ultimate Ninja Warrior. You remember that show? Okay, then this is so weird because like I don't even know when I'm gonna be able to put down laundry. I'll probably have to do laundry right after that. Ooh, I'm running out of those. So I'll put laundry. Oh gosh, no, because if I'm cooking for Friendsgiving, I won't have time to do laundry. So laundry will have to be there. Fold laundry. And it's important for me to put this down because yeah, it's just crazy, but also I'm gonna have to do some cleaning on this day as well as prepping for the dinner. So how am I going to do this? So what I think I might do actually for cleaning, I might do some of it on Friday because I'll have a bit of time to. So let's pull out, and it literally has to be like ninja cleaning. And so I will do the bathrooms, but I also have to film, damn it. Oh my gosh. How are we gonna do this? Let's remove the cleaning. I think what I'll do is I'll put the cleaning here and do the cleaning before I do the cooking for Friendsgiving. It won't be a ton of cooking. It won't be like a ton of cooking. It'll be stuff that'll be easy. So for Friday, I will do my filming because I have to film. I have to film at Weeks. My cousin, and I feel like there's one more, but we will see. And then cleaning, do bathrooms, vacuum, the kitchen cabinets and appliances, and then we'll handle the garbage. Get Henry to help me with the garbage. Okay. I am going to keep it like that. And all right, looking at everything, it still feels bare, but that means I can put down these stickers. These are fun. You don't see me like dancing off in the off camera here, but let's put, I love this big one. I almost feel like maybe I should just do a journaling spread with these. You know what? I am going to hang on to these. I'm going to hang on to these and do a daily journal spread in them, which means that I could have probably put the pumpkin down here or a couple of bats down here. I hate when I do that, when I want to change the placement of things. And now I'm sure I won't be able to lift that up, and I don't want to even try. That's okay. I will leave it. I will leave it because I know that the week is just going to be, I don't know. Okay. I think that's it. That is my plan with me and my Hobonichi weeks. And sometimes life is like that, where I have no idea what's going on, and that's okay. That is okay. You know what I am gonna do, I will put the groceries down because, yeah, I'm gonna put them down. And then if things change, things change. But actually, I won't even put the time. I'll just put pick up groceries. So it's vague, and I won't have to change it around if I don't have to. All right, but that is it. I really like that. And I actually really like this green. The green that I'm using is Ferris Wheel Press Spruce County Post. And it works really, really well with the cursive italic grind on this pen. Whew. That was exhausting. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in any of According to Allie stickers, and I highly recommend them because she hand draws all of them and they're all fantastic, you can use my affiliate link in the description below and use the code Karina10 to get 10% off. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.